Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Let us dive back to the exciting world of February, and trust me, it has been a month filled with incredible events, workshops, and some jaw-dropping achievements. Kicking off the month, we took our FY24-25 Business Plan Blueprint Masterclass to the floor, hitting up back-to-back events at Chennai, Bangalore, and Coimbatore. The energy, the enthusiasm, and the incredible blueprints crafted by the sales leaders and CEOs were nothing short of a business revolution. Next up, the Achieving Mastery workshop for Nithin Tech. We dove deep into the strategies, best practices, and mindset shifts needed to achieve mastery in the tech industry. The energy created by the program was mind-blowing, and our follow-up sessions are cementing the knowledge into habits. Do you want a similar program for your organization? Just fix a discovery call with our team BrixEn. We must mention about our rock stars at Dix and Raisin Automation. Our Learn Sales Process and Client Management training programs were a hit. Participants left armed with the knowledge and skills to conquer the sales game. Tag someone who needs consistent sales growth. Trust us, they will thank you later. And now, a drum roll, 125-plus participants are enjoying every session of ProSales Mastery, 21-week sales challenge, and traveling towards doubling their monthly performance. We are not just talking, we are walking the talk. Now the content is made available through our state-of-the-art LMS platform for repeated learning. Now BrixEn's programs are available live and online for every growth-oriented salesperson. But wait, there is more. We have revamped our weekly sales planner. Get organized and achieve more every week. It is not just a planner. Stay tuned for exclusive offers and programs. Wow, what a month it has been. From blueprints to mastery, sales to planners, we have covered it all. If you enjoyed this tour of February and want to be a part of our ongoing success story, now's the perfect time. Book a discovery call with us and let's explore how we can work together to achieve even greater heights. Share this video with your friends and let us make February's success contagious. Until next time, keep achieving, keep mastering, and keep smiling.